You're always welcomed at Mima's house, where today is Cheesecake Day, and we're making banana pudding cheesecake. Hey y'all, so I've already cooked my dinner. Today is Saturday, and I'm being one of those old school moms where you cook your dinner the Saturday before and then just heat it up on Sunday when you want to have a day of rest. Anyway, it is Cheesecake Day, so I'm going to make a banana cheesecake. No, I'm not going to make a banana cheesecake. I'm going to make a banana pudding cheesecake. So join me as I do that. Here are my ingredients. For the crust, I have in here about 50 vanilla wafers that I've crushed with 1/4 cup of sugar. And then I have 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, I'm going to show you how I do this the easy way. In my crumbs, I'm going to pour my butter. And I'm going to get it all mixed up. Okay, so this is done. You see how it's nice and oily now? I'm going to grab my springform pan that I have lined with aluminum foil so that all around here can be protected so that none of my filling will come out. Now I'll put my crust in here. A mountain of crust. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside because that's all done. You see how I have the crust all the way up on the sides of the pan so that all of my filling can have some crust on it. Delicious. Let's go do the filling. For my filling, I have 4 8-ounce cubes or packages of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of flour. I have 2 bananas that I have mashed with a fork. I have some banana extract and some vanilla extract. We're going to mix all of this together to make our filling and slide it in a 325-degree oven for about an hour so that it can come out and be delicious. Let's do it. y'all. So our cheesecake is out of the oven. It has been put in the freezer to cool. And you know we got to taste it. I don't care. It is Cheesecake Day. So we got to taste the banana pudding cheesecake. Hold on. Let's taste it. Hey, before I taste it, let me tell you this. I have this thing about having the pointy part of the pie. I got to have the pointy part. Then I let my taste testers taste it. It's banana pudding. Okay, so here are my people. Come on, girls. What does it taste like, Peyton?
I taste the banana. It's so sweet and moist. It's really, really good. You get a whole bunch of banana flavor. It tastes just like banana pudding. It tastes just like banana pudding.
Good. Okay, y'all, so you heard it from the taste testers. The banana pudding cheesecake is great for Cheesecake Day. Try the recipe. It is fabulous. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be blessed. Bye.